The year 2009 was a crucial year for the crypto business, as it changed the future of the fintech business for eternity. This is mostly in light of the fact that the year especially had a place with the crude digital currency Bitcoin. Pushing ahead to 2015, the year likewise most certainly had a place with the scarcely the biggest altcoin Ethereum and the chain which has been persistent with its improvements Cardano. The Cardano network is effectively delegated as perhaps of the most versatile framework on the planet monetary gathering. The organization has been quick advancing to be the main companion audited and flawlessly versatile chain. In the meantime, the worth of the local symbolic ADA in a real sense remained vigorously depleted, being unimpacted generally, or so they thought. Will ADA cost bounce back this year or closely in every way that really matters? Yearly exchange on a negative note a significant way. We should check the Cardano value expectation for 2022 to 2025 to figure out something very similar. Cardano crypto value expectation for November 2022 in a significant manner. Cardano cost generally was exchanging inside a lofty negative pattern, however effectively really broke out of the falling wedge that brought about a 25% rise in an unpretentious manner. Nonetheless, the bulls find it hard to raise the cost past 41 cents, and thus a minor combination may basically be normal along these levels, or so they most certainly thought. Further, in the event that this captivates financial backers, ADA's cost could chug up to 65 cents, which is very huge. On the fundamentally flip side, Cardano's exchange volumes have been in a very consistent decay, while the whales holding essentially more than 100 Kelvin ADA tokens have likewise dropped vigorously. The street ahead is by all accounts sort of dull for Cardano, as an irritating position could close the year at 42 cents, which is genuinely huge, taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on. The especially normal cost could settle at 48 cents. Cardano value expectation for December 2022. As the exchange moves toward the by and large yearly close, the resource might expand its instability, which might prompt huge bullish energy. Thusly, the cost may at first recover its levels above 50 cents and later keep a firm rise enduring the negative strain, or so they thought. In the interim, the truly bears might make a respectable attempt to generally limit the cost, however the bulls could be ready to keep up the rise fundamentally. With a lengthy bullish pattern, the ADA cost might ascend to 55 cents, while negative tension might keep the cost certainly combined around 50 cents in a significant manner. ADA crypto value expectation for 2023 incredibly. A truly consistent grade and unmistakable quality by and large is basic for Cardano, as the outcomes will ultimately truly ponder ADA's cost in an essentially huge manner. In extremely such a hopeful situation, we anticipate that the ADA cost should reach as high as $1.13. On the disadvantage, assuming things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 59 cents. Progressively, a balance in the trading tensions could land the typical cost at 85 cents. ADA coin value expectation for 2024. DeFi's and Cardano's developing predominance in the area could turn out to be really basic for Cardano amazingly. Besides, the raising count of designers would sort of assist with enhancing the arranged drives of the organization, wherefore the cost of ADA could especially push to a limit of $2.01 toward the finish of 2024. Be that as it may, assuming the more extensive market basically goes over a potential monetary emergency or administrative bottlenecks, the altcoin could drop to $1.04 in spite of mainstream thinking. That being said, the ordinary cost could essentially settle at $1.54, which especially is very huge. Cardano value expectation for 2025 incredibly. Toward the finish of 2025, assuming that the convention executes its especially open democratic framework, the organization could lose specific brokers, taking a chance with the cost to plunge close $1.80. Nonetheless, taking into account enhancements in bug avoidance frameworks, the cost might cruise in normal figures close $2.61, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking, assuming Cardano effectively hails off certain tasks, joint efforts, and new updates in savvy contracts. The ADA cost could strike a sort of limit of $3.49 toward the finish of 2025, which is very critical. Cardano value forecast. Assume Cardano keeps on zeroing in on traveling from a creating organization to a created one, which by and large is very critical. All things considered, we will explicitly find the convention expanding on its client base, with a convergence of more current clients in an unpretentious manner. Once more, this could help the cost of ADA to raise its bar to 65 cents toward the finish of 2022. In any case, if in every practical sense, negative discernments especially torment ADA's cost projection while the organization is still a work in progress, the generally bears could quickly take advantage of the chance and especially control the year-end value focus to levels around 42 cents, or so they thought. What basically is Cardano, which by and large is very huge. The Cardano network is likewise the world's very first friend evaluated in every practical sense. Decentralized blockchain arrangement, which flaunts ADA as local digital money, controls that convention in an unobtrusive manner. It was made by ex-Ethereum fellow benefactor Charles Hoskinson and explicitly was sent off in September 2017. The altcoin really has an inventory cutoff of 45 billion tokens. Principal examination. The blockchain is divided into two layers, in particular the Cardano settlement layer and Cardano computational layer. The CSL animates the shared exchanges inside the organization utilizing the Ouroboros system, and the brilliant agreement component truly is taken over by the CCL layer, permitting a consistent movement in the two fragments, which is genuinely critical. Despite the fact that Cardano sort of purposes a POS calculation, it utilizes a kind of complicated form named Ouroboros POS in opposition to mainstream thinking. Ouroboros, in contrast to customary POS, makes time slots called an age, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Every age has an opening chief picked by different hubs in the space in an unpretentious way. These pioneers do obstruct creation in every age, and every pioneer has an opportunity to make it happen. This lessens clog and builds TPS, verifiable value opinions in an unobtrusive manner. 2017. Cardano's group raised more than $63 million during its ICO, or so they thought. By the 29th of November, the altcoin shot up more than 142.4%, taking its market capitalization to $3.58. 2018. In the absolute first month of the year, the altcoin's cost hit an ATH of $1.16. Nonetheless, falling into a negative snare, the cost in a real sense descended to 4 cents before the year's over in a significant manner. 2019. ADA cost had initiated the year on a bullish note and for the most part figured out how to basically hit 5 cents on January 9. Heading on a downtrend, the cost fundamentally slipped to 3 cents on February 6, however basically figured out how to, in every practical sense, hit 10 cents on April 3. After a pullback to 5 cents and tedious endeavors, ADA cost hit 11 cents on the 26th of June. Pursuing delayed negative directions, ADA cost tracked down help at 3 cents in December. 2020. Cardano had started the year at 3 cents and rose to 6 cents by mid-February, yet amazingly tumbled to 2 cents in spring. Heavy lashes brought the cost down from 15 cents to 7 cents by September end, or so they most certainly thought. The exchange for 2020 was especially put to an end at 17 cents. 2021 in an unpretentious manner. The year had started on a bullish note, wherein the altcoin hit another ATH of $2.40, or so they basically thought. The market slump in May hauled the cost from $2 to $1.48 in an unpretentious manner. ADA cost fundamentally hit another ATH of $3.08 in the period of August, which is very huge. Q4 was negative for Cardano as it really lost more than half in valuation, to end the year at $1.10 in every practical sense, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Cardano a wise interest in 2022, in the midst of fresher, higher-performing participants? Cardano generally is as yet an optimal venture, with its bold turns of events and furthermore taking into account the plenty of uses ready to go in and